In this video, I'm going to show you how I use PicMonkey to make my thumbnails and my channel art for YouTube. If you're interested, then you know what to do. Stick around. Well, hello, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, today's video, I want to touch bases with you and show you basic skills on how to make a thumbnail and a channel art using PicMonkey. Now I'm basically showing you how I do it. So if you have any questions or concerns, just ask. Now we're going to jump right into this tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how I make the channel art. So I'm going to go up to the top. You see it has Hub, Editor, Templates, and Learn. So I want to go to Hub. I want to create new. Go to blank canvas. And the reason why I went to Hub is because Hub is like a cloud saving on PicMonkey, so your work you just did will still be saved. So I'm gonna go back to, it says the YouTube cover. Now what I use is I have a template that I use to make sure that my wording and everything fits right on the screen on YouTube. So I go to add images, go to the computer, and then I locate that. Where is it? Okay, it's this little black screen, but you put it in the corner and you pull it all the way from corner to corner. In the center here, you see the dark gray, the next shade of gray, and a lighter gray. Now, the dark gray is the safe zone. When someone views your YouTube channel on their cell phone, they can see all of your wording. The top of your words are not cut off. I've noticed a lot of YouTubers on their channel art, the top of the words are cut off because they're too big. And you can't really, if you don't know who they are, you couldn't make out what their channel name is because it's cut off. So what I do here is I go in and I add I start to build my YouTube channel art, as you may say. So now I'm going to go and get my artwork that I'm going to use, the pictures that I'm going to place on my channel art. So now what I'm looking for is my butterfly. Well, I'm using this picture. So I click on it so it can go ahead and be on the screen. And then I'm going to go back in and get the butterfly. Okay, now I shrink my butterfly down to a decent size and put him here. Now my picture, I'll shrink it down and I'll put it about here. Okay, now I'm going to add text. And my name is Creatively Miss Me. So in that font, for that, it's Rancho. And the size is about here. So I'll move it up here next to the butterfly. Now, then I add the next part of my thing is with Stephanie. And this font is totally different. Okay. Now the next thing I add is my little artwork. Now I'm going to add text to that. Now I'm going to shrink that. Ooh, the wrong way. So here it says Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. It's a lifestyle channel. I want to give this a drop effect, but I don't want all the black to show in the background. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the black background. I'll shrink it down just a little so you can see. And I'm going to hit the trash can over here. So here is this. Go over to the layers where it has white background. Click convert layer and click on it and then delete it. Then I'm going to go up to the top on the left where it says edits. Click edits. Go to backgrounds and then I'm going to pick my background color. And I'm going to click apply. So this is how my channel art will look. Now I'm going to go to YouTube and show you how it will look when I upload it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it as a PNG and I'm going to save it to my desktop so I can show you. And it's going to be named the test cover. Now it's downloading. You see here in the bottom, it's showing you how it downloads. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to click the camera in the upper right corner. Then it says channel art. Then you see upload photos. Then you see select a photo from your computer. I'm going to click on that button. And I'm going to go to my desktop where I saved it at. Test covers. Click on test covers. And it'll upload it. Then you can click here. It says adjust to crop. And you see here all of this is kind of like faded out around it. But this area here is what you see that's going to be on your channel art. And also what people will see on their cell phones. So I'm going to show you, this is how it looks when you put it up on the cell phone. This is what you're going to see. Okay. So we're going to select that. And then when it comes up here on your screen, you see your name is not chopped off. All your information is showing. So that is how I create my channel art for my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave any questions down below or email me. My email address is down below in the description box as well. If you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, please check out my blog. I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And you should always continue to the end. There's always something new on that very last screen. And if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.